Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Sony LinkBuds to your PC. Okay, first of all, open the case by using this button. Next, be sure that the earbuds sticking to the pins inside, so press on them. Next, rotate the case and click and hold this button until this indicator on the front starts blinking. So let's try to make it right now. Okay, right now we can release the button and smoothly go for the Bluetooth settings on your laptop. So we can find them in the main settings. On the left side you have to go for the Bluetooth and devices. Turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher and click to add device. Select Bluetooth and wait until they pops on the screen. Okay, select them. And as you can see, right now we are connected. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.